Did you know that consuming dark chocolate can boost metabolism and aid in weight loss? A study published in the International Archives of Medicine found that people who included dark chocolate in their diet lost weight faster than those who didn't. What if you could enjoy this superfood while also fueling your body with protein and fiber? Enter dark chocolate protein oats, a powerhouse breakfast for weight loss and skin health. Finding a breakfast that is both delicious and nutritious can be a challenge, especially when trying to lose weight and maintain healthy skin. Dark chocolate protein oats combine the richness of dark chocolate with the fiber-rich goodness of oats to create a perfect meal that satisfies cravings while supporting your health goals. Let's dive into why this meal should be your go-to breakfast. Many people struggle with maintaining a balanced diet while trying to lose weight. Common challenges include uncontrollable sugar cravings leading to unhealthy snacking, lack of high-protein, fiber-rich breakfast options that keep you full, the misconception that healthy meals are boring and tasteless, skin problems like acne and dullness due to poor nutrition choices. With so many fad diets out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and frustrated. But what if a single, tasty meal could help with both weight management and radiant skin? Let's break down the benefits of dark chocolate and oats. Dark chocolate, 70% or higher cocoa content, contains antioxidants that improve blood flow and reduce inflammation, which is great for weight loss and skin health. Boosts metabolism and helps curb sugar cravings, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. Rich in magnesium, which helps reduce stress, a major factor in weight gain and skin breakouts. Oats, high in fiber, keeping you full for longer and preventing overeating. Helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing insulin spikes that lead to fat storage. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals for healthy skin, including zinc and biotin. Protein, added through Greek yogurt, protein powder, or nuts. Builds muscle mass, increasing fat burn. Keeps you satisfied, reducing the likelihood of mid-morning cravings. Supports collagen production, promoting glowing skin. A 2022 study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming high polyphenol dark chocolate improved metabolism and reduced belly fat in participants over a 12-week period. Additionally, dermatologists confirm that antioxidants in dark chocolate help prevent skin aging. This means dark chocolate protein oats aren't just a trendy meal, they're scientifically backed to support your health and beauty goals. Conclusion: dark chocolate protein oats are more than just a tasty breakfast, they are a game changer for weight loss and skin health. By combining high-quality dark chocolate, fiber-rich oats, and protein, you can start your day with a meal that keeps you full, fights cravings, and nourishes your skin from within. Have you tried dark chocolate protein oats before? Share your favorite recipe variations in the comments. And don't forget to watch our next video on more healthy breakfast ideas that support weight loss and glowing skin. Stay healthy and deliciously satisfied.